Hello, Spencer with Townline Equipment. We're back with another segment of working through the weekend with our Kubota BX23s. We've taken the backhoe off the back and replaced it with an auger to put some posts in this week. And we took the quick attach bucket off and have some forks on the front that are going to help us move some compost and some plants that we're going to put into our garden. So come along with us this weekend as we get our projects done. Thank you. Before we get started putting posts in the ground with this Land Pride PD10, I want to talk about the BX23s, because when you're going to first see that tractor at a dealership, it's going to have a backhoe on it. But what it doesn't necessarily say itself is that it can have a Category 1 3-point hitch with it, just like all the other family members in the BX family. Category 1 3-point hitch on a tractor like this, small rotary cutter is doable, even a small chipper is doable. We've got a project coming up where we're going to put a 3-inch chipper on this tractor and clean up around the garden edge. So keep that in mind when you're looking at the BX23s, that's not just a tractor loader backhoe. Another feature that makes the BX80 family special is the fact that they now have a standard 2-lever quick attach on the front. What that means is not only can you have a bucket on the front, but you can easily switch it to these forks. You even can go all the way to the extent of putting a grapple on the front, and we'll have a clip of that later in this month where we'll be ripping out some of this brush along the edge with a grapple. So stick along as we got some other things coming our way. With the posts and the plants in the ground, that's the end to another working through the weekend segment with our Kubota BX23s. We can now move on to our forest and earth moving projects next week. If you have any questions about the postal logger or pallet forks, please reach out to our Pittsford, Vermont or Plainfield, New Hampshire location, or visit our website, townlineequipment.com, to see what product lines we carry. Thank you for joining and have a great weekend.